YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Mitch. I'm back with another video. Appreciate all the love y'all showed on the last two, man. It's past anything I was expecting. I appreciate y'all. So today we hopping straight into it, man. I'm on the MES, micro S&P. Just hopped in a trade. I'm already up a tick. As soon as the market opened earlier, it went straight down. And I'm in it today, man. As you can see, I'm on my Apex account, $75,000 account. The one I was telling y'all about that was moving over into a PA. Today's our first day with that thing, and it happens to be a Monday. So we gonna do our thing, man. Let's get it. Popping over to Rhythmic real quick, show y'all what's going on. Got my Apex account, status active. Y'all see that balance? You know what I'm saying? Shows you my auto liquidate account or my liquidation account balance. That's pretty much my threshold. That's what I can't go under. It's pretty simple. I love that Apex gives you a rhythmic login to get some of the best data on the market. And that's about enough for rhythmic though. So yeah, man, this is just I'm predicting the price of ES to at least go back to the 40-20s, by it's Sunday night. By Monday morning, I feel like we'll be back up in the, those 40-10s above that. And so I'm going to pop out in a minute and fast forward, let y'all see what's going on. But first, I'm going to show y'all the DOM. I was talking about the last video. And it's one of my more frequently used tools. The DOM pretty much shows you, pending orders in the market. So as you can see, it's always running. Hold on. Yeah. Numbers are changing, those orders are getting filled, and prices moving accordingly. So instead of just looking at the indicators, the DOM is one of the tools to get a real time feel on what's happening in the market right now. Yeah, let y'all look at that for a minute. And just after using the DOM enough, you'll be able to, establish, your own relationship between buyers and sellers imbalance, and just, figure out where you want to go from there. It's just extra confirmation, because if more people are buying than selling, this comment is common supply and demand. What's going to happen to the price? It's going to go up. Maybe not exactly when you want it to, but it is going to go up. It's just simple economics. I'm about to fast forward it here. I'm just letting y'all view the DOM for a minute. And I always got to plug in Apex. I'm gonna talk about Apex every video. The 25K, 50K, 75, all the way up to $300,000 accounts. a free NinjaTrader license, free real-time data. It's all of that and a bag of chips. And then I come in with the 80% off coupon code to really just seal the deal for you, you know. If you want to do what I do, you know, start off with a $75,000 account. Wouldn't cost too much. Let's pull out this calculator. 187 times, I mean, dude, that's like $40 after tax. Like, I'm gonna keep putting this on you, bro. $40 after tax. There's no excuse. Like, if you're interested in this and you want to get started, there's no better way other than, you know, getting a sim account and practicing. But if you're actually looking to make money, there's no better way than Apex Trader Funding. It just doesn't make sense, you know. And so I'm actually probably gonna throw on some music just to you know, pass the time, because I know y'all don't want to just hear me talk. So I'm gonna put y'all on some new music that I've been. Yeah. Hey, I don't need a bitch, the Benjamin's the only thing I need. I just come up out the head, no on right, don't gotta read. I'm with your bitch, we at the Waffle House, yeah, we on Tennessee. No on chopper, some of my niggas out here serving 10 a G. You think a nigga Freddy Krueger, I be in your bitch dream. I'm trying to run that money up, I'm trying to see some big things. This hoe keep blowing up my phone, but I just let that bitch ring. I'm trying to stack that money 7 feet tall, y'all mean. I'm trying to get straight to the bread, keep on running up that chain. They like, who is that? He snapping, ask your bitch, she know my name. She know I'm only chasing money, nigga, I ain't chasing fame. I just took a trip to Cloud, now y'all with Mary Jane. Nigga, I been out the way, yeah, I been in the studio. I don't know if I want Jada Waiter or a Ruby Rose. I think this bitch different, she ain't nothing like them other hoes. Brown skin, she bad as fuck, I told that bitch to strike a pole. I'm in Tallahassee, FSU, I'm with the Seminoles. Baby just be hating on me, swear that shit be getting old. Florida just don't want no diamonds, you know I just want the gold. If you rockin', then I'm rolling, nigga, I can't break the code. No, I can't break the code, but I can take your bitch and break your spine. This a classic hoe, this bitch got me outside drinking wine. I'm with Mary Jane, I'm in the trees, I'm swinging through the vine. A nigga feeling just like Tony Hawk, I'm steady on the ground. She like, damn, Tyler got the sauce, that nigga got the juice. I don't like a ratchet hoe, I like a bitch who keep it cute. I be steady paper chasing, I just get into the loot. He think that boy was in a jet, the way he snatch off in that coupe. I'm in the coupe with Mary Jane, I'm headed straight to outer space. You won't catch me in the mix, oh no, little Tyler out the way. Boy, you need to watch it, bitch, I see your hoe be on my page. I'm just trying to get a buck, a nigga feel like Tampa Bay. This some bad skinny shit, this hoe look just like Color Ray. I'm trying to run this money up so I can pull up in the race. Man, these niggas trying to catch me drip, they trying to ride my way. I won't buy a bitch a ring, but she can get some Chick-fil-A. I won't buy a bitch a ring, but she can get a 4 for 4. I ain't focused on the bitch, you know I'm focused on the dough. I can't wait to ride the stage, no, I can't wait to kick the dough. Damn, Tyler, you been snapping back to back, I'm in that mode. They like, damn, this nigga snapping, man, this nigga going crazy. I'm trying to pull up in that big body Benz, yeah, that Mercedes. See Tyler on the scene, boy, you better hide your lady. I slide up on a nigga, bitch, quit just like some gravy. I told you, bitch, that I'm a dog, nigga, I ain't talking Scooby. Finna crank up on the beat, oh yeah, nigga feeling groovy. This bitch got an attitude, this hoe she always acting moody. No, this ain't no Jada Waiter, this right here big booty Judy. Gang. Freedom. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home, went to pick him up. Nigga killed my mans, I'm riding with a picture up. Shoot back to the crib, went to pick the switches up. Stolen track hard, got it tinted up. Caught him outside, now he in the blunt. Ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Nigga, ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Catch his ass at the light, like Tupac and hit him up. Ain't no life after death, nigga, you ain't big enough. Know them youngins name benders when they in that rental truck. They gon' spin till they dizzy or the police pick them up. I been staying out the way, I been focused on this pay. Killers coming, I retire, meant the dead nigga play. Hit your mans with a package, he don't pay, I make it today. Nigga
Niggas probably won't admit it, but I paved the way. Who else you know made all these millions and ain't signed no papers? Did my time like a gangster, never made a statement. Fuck niggas like I'm racist. Niggas wasn't there when we was rapping in the basement. They was throwing parties, we was cooking, cracking, shaving. Hit your house party, fuck it up, we misbehave. Gotta keep an eye on my nigga Slim, cause he shady. Take it out the water, let it dry. Put it on the roof, he ain't know what he was doing. I had to school, teach you how to turn a half.
So yeah, this is in the morning. This was this morning around, just about 9 a.m. Prophet got hit while I was asleep. That's what we do this for. That's what I love, waking up to see my Prophet target got hit. No better feeling. Like, the only thing that comes close is seeing y'all, showing love on my YouTube videos, man. I be working hard on these, So I appreciate everything, you feel me? If you're trying to stay up to date with this type of stuff, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you always get notified when I, drop a new video. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if there was anything that you had a question on. I'll be sure to get to it, man. I love interacting with y'all. Appreciate y'all. Peace.